All right, 2025 new build construction. This is a final inspection. Let's go check it out. Downspouts on the second story sidewall are loose and not secured to the brick. Missing felt paper on top of the roof sheathing. Patio roof is missing counter flashing details. Here's what the pressure washing crew did inside the garage. Don't need to test that for moisture. Downspout elbow is bent. And here, they forgot to install the downspout. Fiber cement trim around windows is improperly installed. That side trim should be continuous past the bottom. HVAC unit in the attic, the primary condensate drain line is poorly insulated. And as you can see, it is dripping condensate to the subfloors below. Primary bathroom shower drain is clogged. Commode lid in the spare bathroom is damaged. Here's the finished steps on the stairway. Holes where the pin nails were overdriven were never filled and sanded. And that is every step. Exterior electrical panel or first means of disconnect. Knockout is missing a filler. Also, the breakers aren't labeled.
Oh. Yeah, I agree. When you have a new build, everyone expects that it's all going to be perfect and it's not going to have any issues. And when you're spending that kind of money, you do expect better. The problem is not that these builders are terrible builders. It's that the subcontractors that are hired to do a lot of the jobs, they don't care as much as the details as a lot of the builders themselves do. So how do we fix that? So it starts by getting a good builder who's going to get out there and monitor the situation. If problems arise and you notice it during the framing stage or you notice it during the pre-wire stage or when everything's going in, do not wait until the home is painted, done, ready to go to start going back and adding new outlets. That's called dumb. That's called not planning properly. So what you need to do is you've got to work with builders who are going to think about you as a lifestyle in that home. Think about what you want to do. And there's a methodical process to getting things done. If your builder follows it, if your builder is consistently checking in on progress that the general contractors are doing and the subcontractors are doing, you shouldn't have these issues. Everyone needs to know up front before they do a job. If they want to build a home and work on your project, expect to be having your work inspected before a check is cut to you so that you know that the job that you're paying for has truly been done and you're not having to put it on the punch list 2, 3, 4 months down the road for them to come back out here and do all of that. All that does is extend time because you didn't take the time up front to get these things done when they should have been done.